Deep engagement in the Belt and Road Initiative will bring unlimited business opportunities to Hong Kong and make its future full of hope. That's according to Nicholas Ho, Commissioner for Belt and Road of China's Hong Kong Special Administrative Region Government.
香港有一个很特别的新的生态圈，就是我们的律师发展。我们有一个很成熟的律师金融发债的那个平台。我们有一个非常有国际标准的律师的专业服务，还有人才。我们还有一些初创企业、科技企业，就是做环保律师新能源的，就是这3方面互联互通，打造一个新的律师的经济新的引擎，去“一带一路”可以做很多合作。
To assist Hong Kong in seizing the opportunities brought about by the BRI, the Hong Kong SAR government established the Belt and Road Office in 2016. Despite challenges posed by factors such as the COVID-19 pandemic, the Hong Kong SAR government has remained actively engaged in the BRI over the past decade. The commissioner said Hong Kong should leverage the going global efforts of its local businesses to support the BRI while also exploring its potential in bringing in.
走出去的时候，更加重要的就是引进来沿线国家的企业，他们对内地市场非常感兴趣。那用好香港这个国际融资平台，香港的专业服务平台，把可能他们的企业的公司的基地放在香港，然后用香港作为内地市场一个窗口。我觉得这个也是未来我们看得到一个大趋势。